Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make DIY armor. First, select your primary material, considering factors like durability and ease of shaping. Common choices include EVA foam or thermoplastics. Next, gather your tools. You'll need items such as sharp cutting tools, strong adhesives, and a heat source for forming. Finally, sketch out your design or find templates online to guide your construction process. This initial planning saves time and ensures a better fit. Let's dive into materials. EVA foam is fantastic for its versatility and affordability, often found in thicknesses ranging from 2 mm to 10 mm. It's easy to cut and shape. Another excellent option is Worbla, a thermoplastic that becomes moldable when heated, allowing for intricate details. Always clean your chosen material thoroughly before you begin cutting. This ensures better adhesion for glues and paints later on. Now for the fun part, shaping and assembly. A heat gun is your best friend for molding foam or Worbla into desired curves and contours. Apply heat evenly and gently bend the material. Once shaped, use a strong adhesive like contact cement to join your pieces. Apply glue to both surfaces, let it get tacky, then press firmly. Don't forget to reinforce any high-stress areas with extra layers for durability. To finish your armor, apply a sealant or primer to create a smooth, paintable surface. This step is crucial for achieving a professional look and protecting your work. Then, unleash your creativity with details like weathering, battle damage, or custom emblems. These small touches truly bring your armor to life. Remember to check the description for links to tools and materials, as well as other great deals. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab some Little Tree's black ice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.